guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new release video. I am super excited about this week's new releases. We have some really cool stuff. So I am going to hop right in. I am going to have some Scribbler releases for you guys as well. If you guys didn't see last week, I mentioned on Instagram that it would be the last new release video to pick up the previous format of these Scribblers, which does still stand true. By when this video is in the shop on Wednesday, they'll still be available, but I'll be removing them Friday morning before new releases go up because I will have a couple of Scribbler sheets, like new ones to release. I'll show you guys those on Instagram. I don't have them with me right now, but we will have a couple of different ones available, which I am super excited about. So there's that. And then there won't be a wiggle this week because I am hoping to get down to 0 orders this week and do a stock count. So I'll probably be doing that Wednesday or Thursday. So I just didn't want to have the wiggles open just so I could do a proper stock count and just move some things around in the shop. So that is this week. I'm hoping that wiggles will be back the next week though. So this is the freebie. This first kit here is called Lavender, which is just a beautiful anytime kit, perfect for, like I said, anytime or, you know, spring, summertime. It's super beautiful, very anytime, like I said. Lots of purples and kind of like blue colors, like kind of like a periwinkle color. Super pretty. I love all the different fashion girl elements, all the different florals. There is a ton of deco here. I used so many pieces. The artist who did this art, she includes so many items in her art collection, so it was really fun to be able to put a ton in there. Just look at these colors and the patterns. I love the extra full box here. Like, I'm just living for this. I'm normally like more of a pink person than a purple person, but I feel like purple and blue together is like a really great combo. Half boxes, fancy labels, pattern washi and headers, little things, solid washi and fancy labels, ombre heart checklist, and last but not least, the bottom washi. There is an option if you do want to add on the 15mm bottom washi, which would be a really beautiful contrast with the blue and the purple. So that is the ultimate kit there, and this is Lavender. I said last week that I was trying out the unlimited stock for the weekend. I think as of right now we should be able to continue doing that. I don't know if we'll always be able to do that in the future, but for the time being I will continue to do that. So like I said, there is the 15mm add-on if you want to add that on, as well as the glitter sampler. I will show you guys the mini kit. I was doing 3-hour unlimited stocks for quite a while, and like I said, I am going to try and do weekend unlimited stocks because I know that, especially for some international people, the 3 hours is in the middle of the night. So I'm just trying to be as accommodating as possible while still not overloading my production quantity, because obviously I don't want to produce more than I can make in a timely manner, because I'm always looking at, you know, the next week and making sure we can get all of those releases out and things like that. So that is the Lavender collection that has the ultimate and a mini. This collection here is called Rainy Day, which is a really beautiful neutrals kit. I did have kind of 2 different color schemes in mind for this. The one that I chose to go with was the all neutrals, but the other option I was going to go with, which I'm sure some of you guys might have preferred, was like a black, like the black charcoal color that's on the corner here, the gray, and then doing the orange and the blue. But I thought I haven't done like a true kind of like grayscale sort of color scheme. It does like a little bit of a cooler grayscale, but I haven't done a true grayscale color scheme kit in quite a while. So here is the little freebie there. Then you have the full boxes, which are super cute. Again, very like rainy day, perfect for April, or again, another anytime kit. I love like the fashion girl elements here. Then you have, again, a ton of deco on the side. And we did, like I said, keep the colors very grayscale, but then in a lot of the half boxes and washi and things, you have a little bit of those blues and those oranges, which I think really ties all together. This is a great kit to like if you normally are a mini kit user, to pick up the ultimate, just because the gray, the black, the charcoal are something that you can really pull into a lot of spreads if it's a kit that you really love. I love this bottom washi. I just think it's so fun pulling in those other colors. There's also an option if you want to add the bottom washi. I feel like this is going to be a very popular one because it is just a light gray. A lot of you guys have been asking for white, which I will do in the future, just because like putting the sticker on the whiteout isn't always the prettiest thing, especially if the whiteout skips a little. So I will do a white one in the future, but for the meantime, this gray is really beautiful and will go with a lot of different sets. And then there is also the option if you want to add on the glitter sampler as well. Like I said, it is a little bit, actually, I guess it's a little bit more on the warmer. Yeah, I guess so, because this one's a little bit more of a warmer gray in both the glitter and also in the kit itself, but it's still like a really great neutral to have on hand. I know there's a lot of you guys who like collecting the like more neutral ones, so those are the add-on options for that. This also does come in a mini kit as well. Let's go ahead and open this one up. So you do have the same sampler, the same full boxes page, the same functional, deco functional, the mini kit page, and then the bottom washi date covers and the extra full box there. So that is Rainy Day, and that is the last full collection there. Then I do have one mini kit exclusive collection, which is what did I do here? Is an Easter set. I forgot to change the name on this. I don't even remember what I decided to call it. I think it was called Hope Rises, Rise and Hope something. I'm sure I'll put it in the description of the, I didn't bring home the glitter sampler for this one. It'll be in the listing. So I didn't bring home the glitter sampler for this one, but it'll obviously be glitters in these colors here. I accidentally brought home this one. I know the kit, I think this is from Easter, isn't it? I don't know what I did. But here is the freebie here, and these are super cute colors, like the two pinks, the like hotter pinkish, and then the blue. I love the blue. Honestly, that's why I did the blue sidebar here. So this is another Easter kit. I did do like that full collection that was Easter last week, but I saw this art and I thought it was really, really cute. So I decided to do it in a mini kit with little like gold accents throughout, which I thought was really fun. And I love this bottom washi. There is an option if you want to add on a pink 15mm washi. I think that would look super cute. And there will also, like I said, be an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. I just brought home the wrong one, so that'll be listed on the website and also on the website there. So that is the, I think it's Hope Rises, I don't remember what I called it. Kind of with like 3 to 4 collections a week most of the time. I can't remember that far back. This is a monthly kit. I haven't done a monthly kit in a while. A lot of people have been asking if I'm still going to be doing them. Yes, I'm just kind of doing them as like I see art that I think would be really cute for a monthly. So our monthlies are now 3 pages, so they are dated, so you can use one of our overlays on them and make it for whatever month you want. So this is like a lavender, I think I just called it Lavender, and it's just a super pretty collection that I really loved. I thought it had the perfect amount of art pieces for a monthly, so those are the 3 pages. You guys have been really loving the monthly based on the sales of them, the new monthly, so I'm really excited about that. It's very simple, and I think that it's a little more versatile to have a bunch in your collection that you can pick and choose from. For that, there is also the option for add-ons. You have the functional, which is so pretty. I love these colors. And then you have 2 girl options as well, which are super, super beautiful. So that is the Lavender monthly option. Then we do have a couple foil releases. We do have these header overlays. Well, not overlays. They're actually just header. They're foil headers. So you have in gold, silver, and rose gold. We have circle icons with bows, which are great because they can... I thought I heard something. So you can mark a variety of different things with them. I am so excited about these. So they're just circle icons. And then last but not least, which I'll show you in silver. I feel like silver is the easiest to see on camera because it's the least colorful. So this is the kind of like me time or pamper sampler in Jessica J. Crew Plan's handwriting. So you have me time, sleep in, face mask, nail appointment, bath night, treat yourself, hair appointment, and then the same ones over here except for paint nails, which is super cute. So that is the pamper or me time. Then I do have one washi this week. I totally forgot to swatch it, but it is our white with hollow bows, which I'm gonna give you guys. So I think we do have the white with pixie dust in one of our bundles, but I did want to do a hollow. It's a little hard to get hollow on camera, but I hope that you guys can see it. I'm gonna try slow twisting it. But it is white with hollow bows, which is super pretty. So that'll be available as like a single roll, not in a bundle. And then I also will have a bundle of our shimmer washi cards. These are shimmery, if you guys can see the glitter throughout. And it will be a pack of 4. So this kind of goes with our like acetate and sticky pockets. They each have rose gold, silver gold, and then a hollow, which is super pretty. So this is kind of like in that little like collection range. So those have one of each in the acetate, one of each in the pockets, and then this one's going to have one of each of the shimmer washi cards. So super simplistic, but it'll go with a ton of different setups, and also great if you want to give out washi samples and want to give like a really simplistic card. I just really like these. I think they're very versatile, and you can, it's just like a simple design that you can then put washi underneath, which I think is really cute, or you could totally cover it up, but I wouldn't because they're so cute. And I like the shimmer, the subtle shimmer. It's not a color, it's just clear with shimmer. So super cute. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's releases. I'm so excited about some of these, well, all of these kits actually. I'm probably going to be using this one, I think in, I'm going to say June probably, and then I'm going to save this one I think for September, because I kind of feel like in September it does rain a little bit more in Texas. And then I think I'm going to use this one. I'm starting to kind of like memory plan just for myself in my memory planner for Easter, because Easter is like my birth month type. Also my 5-year anniversary with Scribble Prints Co. So I won't be doing one in my main planner, I don't think. I think I'm going to use our Easter one that we released last week in March, I believe. And then this is super cute. I think I might use this one in August actually. I think that's really, or even September. I don't know. I'm super excited, and to be able to finally use these. I'm ready. So hope you guys like this week's releases, and these will be available Friday at noon Eastern. Again, no wiggle this week just because we're going to get down to 0 orders to do a proper stock count. So if you guys see the shop down for a couple of hours, that is what we're doing. But I hope you guys like them, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.